All right, so I finally got everything installed on Zeus. I got all the upgrades that I've wanted. As any of you that have seen some of my videos, of course I had the Navitas controller installed a couple years back, maybe almost 3 years now probably. But then additionally, most recently, I did get the Navitas motor. So I have the 600 amp controller and the 5 kilowatt motor. I didn't know they made them for Icon until recently. And so I got one, finally got it installed, and it has been awesome. But the reason I'm really excited to do this video is I finally made the jump to 72 volts. And let me tell you, as a person that's been telling people about lithium for a very long time, let me tell you, it's literally crazy the difference between 48 volts and 72 volts. That's my gauge. And what I didn't just get any 72 volt battery. Good old Justin M, if you know who that is, with Skunkworks Lithium. Got a 230 amp hour battery from him, 72 volts, but it's not 72 volts. In fact, when it's fully charged, it shows 82 volts, which is crazy. So this thing is insane. And as you can see, it literally barely fit in here. But this is proof that it does work. For anybody that wants to get one of these batteries from Justin, it fits in an Icon i60L. I did remove the tray that holds it, just to give me just another, whatever, half an inch or whatever. But it seat closes fine, does not rest on the battery. It's just perfect. It's a beast. What we did is we kind of, you have to take the seat off and you kind of sit it here on a towel, so then two people can lift it over. But you got to kind of go between here. Can't really go over, it's so big. But anyway, this thing is crazy cool, and the best thing about it for me is, I have the Navitas maxed out all the way, worked with their engineers to make it just the best it can go, but I'm not losing range by the second. I mean, technically I am, but it doesn't drop nearly as fast because you got this, 230 amp hours is amazing. I installed a 72 volt reducer. That was the hardest part of the whole job. I am going to do a separate video because there's just not enough videos out there for people how to get a new reducer on their Icon. And I'm going to go into that because I think it'll be worthwhile for a lot of people. I wish I had that video, but we did get it working. And as you can see, I'm about to show you some footage. And keep in mind in this footage that the program I was using for the miles per hour and everything on the display, it's 2 miles off. I've hit 44 with this battery. I don't intend to do that every day. I just wanted to see how far it'll go. The best thing about it is how fast it gets there. That's the beauty in it. It's how fast it will get to, 40 miles an hour. It just, so much power all the time. I've taken a couple of people for a ride, and the first thing they say is, this is like riding in your Tesla, which of course it's not that fast, but it is fast. And I am super happy about it. So look, Justin, thank you so much. I'm so glad I called you. Anybody that's thinking about getting a Skunkworks battery, it's absolutely worth it. He's a stand-up guy. He never, ever, ever didn't answer a question I asked him. He was always available, always trying to help me. And I hope he has even more success with making his batteries, because he's just a super cool dude. And anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions you have in here, okay? And I'll help any way I can.